All right, here we are. You ready? We're recording.
Hi.
Hi. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
All right, it is Father's Day, June. You want to close the door, hon, or listen to me? Evening check-in. It's June. It's Sunday, Father's Day. What have we got accomplished this weekend? Big thing I've been mentioning crap going on in the personal life, blah, blah, blah. We told the kids today, so I'm happy to say we're getting divorced. That came out a little bit honest, didn't it, Freud? So yeah, that's in the open and done behind us. Just moving forward with all of that feels like a big weight. I remember seeing my face in some of the old videos, and I just kind of looked miserable, but moving forward feels good. We got the recesses figured out for the beams, drilling a little hole and then a smaller big hole and making them lined up so that the pins fit in there. Or we closed the goal. That felt good. Like literally tens of thousands of books and videos. I ramble. Imagine that. And what I learned today, I ramble, say it, and move on. I need to work on the flow and the cadence with these videos. There's not a lot of content. It's pretty interesting, but I could probably cover it all in about 2 minutes if I was succinct. Not surprised kids knew about everything that was going on. They've known about it for a while, and they took it like champs. Surprised how well. I've been chatting, and I think they're excited. So, big weight, moving forward. Happy Father's Day. It's Monday, June 22nd, 2026, day after Father's Day. Today we have a very serial task day, lots of things to do across mediation, planning your next life, and keeping Supernova Design Company moving forward. First priority is to get into the shop and get some progress made on the kitchen racks. Specific tasks today on those is to get all the holes drilled and all the recesses ready. Get the shop cleaned and prepped to weld everything up tomorrow or maybe today. But there's lots of stuff today, which I will skip. Kitchen holes. Shit, here we are. We're screwing it up. Tasks today. Get in the shop, get the kitchen racks, like I said. Holes and recesses all done. Get everything ready to assemble and start welding everything together tomorrow. We have all the plugs cut. So we want to be welding tomorrow and have everything drilled today. We'll get an extra vlog from the weekend we didn't quite get done. We realized that anything but the simplest videos are tripping me up. Anyway, that's it. Challenges today are just transitioning smoothly between all these different things we have, all these little hats we get to wear today. All right, happy afternoon. Let's check in. What did we get completed today? We met with our Bank of America mortgage person. It was not too useful, but a little bit, just slightly. Scheduled a consult with a certified divorce lending specialist, also known as a CDLP. Went grocery shopping with the kids after we got into a little row, trying to challenge, but they're awesome and we're figuring it out. Supernova related, we did figure out the recess problem. Our drill wasn't quite aligned, so we kept getting similar bad results. Something systematic. We bumped up the center hole to I think 17/64, so whatever's the next size up from the 1/4 inch, because we are struggling even with the drill aligned to get these little to get the pins in there. So we still got a lot of work to do tonight, not related to that. What did we learn today? So there's 2 ways to lose focus on a thing. There's actually when you're working on the thing to lose focus, and there's also the space between the things that you're working on. And I notice when I'm working on something, my focus is good. However, when it's finished or before I start, that's where a lot of drifting occurs. So it's good to be aware of that. The other thing we figured out today was that tolerances are a balance between quality and makeability. You have real loose tolerances, it's really easy to make something, but it kind of turns out like crap. Or if you have too tight of tolerances, it becomes impossible to build. And so it's finding that sweet spot where you still get a great quality product and you can actually do it repeatably. So we're good today. We're going to get this and the other video posted. I got to work on some other spreadsheet stuff tonight. But it was a good day. We got through it, made progress on all fronts. Jesse out.